Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video from Blendinator. In this video we are going to make this cool awesome vortex looking thing uh, which is a strike animation of vortex. It's a cool sci-fi animation. You can easily make this just following this tutorial. So without wasting time, let's get started. Delete the default cube as always and then choose a cylinder from mesh, and then in the add cylinder tab increase the vertices around 90 because we need fine and long line of the strikes. After this just go into edit mode and delete the faces by selecting the face select and delete the faces from both side here and then this one. After deleting both of them, then just go in object mode and scale as much as you want, as long as you want. For me, scaling on the z-axis, scaling on z-axis for about this much. Select mode and select the edges by pressing alt. This select whole edges and after this go in top view mode and rotate by some angle around this. So let's see how much it get rotated. Let's rotate more, that much. Now we have some rotated. Here you can see we have this rotated cylinder. Now after rotating, just press Ctrl R and increase the amount up to 50. 50 is good, and then after this just go into the circle and then click on face select mode and select one face. After selecting one face, just go into the select tab and then click select random. After this so many randomly faces get selected and get in down and in percentage, reduce the percentage by very low amount, around here we use about 21, and change the pattern as you want. For me, this pattern look good. For 3 value this pattern look good, and before after that go into material tab and add, first of all add one material and just make it some metallic, like I choose red and increase the metallicness. And after this select another material and click new and click assign. They assign the material to it in emission, and in surface click emission and choose a color that you like. For example, I choosing green, and go in the material tab. Here you can material tab. Here you can see we got some emission looking faces, and do the same process again by selecting one random face and click on select ratio. Now it's not looking very nice. So for making it good, go in world tab and reduce this value up to black, and now it's getting awesome. And the best feature of Blender 2.8 is that bloom. Just enable bloom and increase the radius and increase intensity, and you can also play with this setting to make it look good. About this, and crank the material of these faces go select this material and go in material tab and increase their value about 10. uh, 10 is high, so this one good. And change the material if you don't like them, like this. And this one, something about this. Now it's come to the camera part. Select the camera and click Alt Control Alt 0 to make it in that view, and change the camera uh, settings by going camera tab and changing the lens to a much wider looking, about 30 millimeter looks good. And change the position as you want, for me like this. And here we can see this. And now comes the fun part which makes it cool. uh, for that, just go from camera view mode and select your cylinder, or whatever vortex thing is this. And after this, go in front top view, and then click a keyframe of rotation on one frame. And after this, let's go around full 250 and rotate this 360. That's good. And then click on I key and press rotation. Now we can see it's rotating but very slow. So just first of all, select both keyframe and change the interpolation mode from Bezier to linear. This makes it constant rotation. And then it's to increase its speed, just move the last keyframe around this frame, uh, more, around 80. Now this looking good. Here you can see it's looking good, but the colors are not great. So let me change the colors. This is you can change the colors as you want, and increase other stuff, and use very to make it more. Now let's get on. Now here, by pressing Control Shift, we can go in full view mode, and let's get play this. And change its value to 80 because we use only 80 frames. And just invisible all the things, uncheck floor, grid, 3D cursor, axis. And now we can see it's looking good. But here we can see it's very large circle. So to reduce that, go into modifier tab. First of all, select your cylinder and go to modifier tab, and then click on array modifier. And after going to array modifier, select X and click it to 0. And then go into your side view and change the Z value so that it just match this one. And increase the number, go in camera view mode and increase number as much as you want. For me, 3 looks good. 3 number is enough. And after that, just deselect all and see the animation. Now it's looking very awesome. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like this, then hit the subscribe button and tell in the comment section what you want to see more, or do you like it. For more cool stuff, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.